Some candidates walk into an interview and immediately impress, while others start off weak, but manage to recover and leave a positive impression. Confidence, body language, clear communication, and the ability to adapt make a great difference. In this lecture, we will analyze two real-world interview examples, one where a candidate nails their first impression, and another where a candidate struggles but successfully recovers. Objectives of the lecture. By the end of this lecture, you will be able to identify the characteristics of a strong first impression, recognize common mistakes that weaken first impressions, understand how to recover if an interview starts off poorly, apply real-world lessons to refine your own strategy. Case study. Number 1. A strong first impression. Candidate, Lisa, applying for a marketing manager role. Lisa walks into the interview with purpose. Her posture is upright and makes steady eye contact. She greets the interviewer with a smile and a confident yet warm tone. "It's great to meet you. I've been looking forward to this conversation." What Lisa does right. She projects confidence without arrogance. Her body language is open and engaged. She introduces herself in a way that feels natural, not robotic. When asked, "Tell me about yourself," Lisa gives a response that is concise, under 90 seconds, structured, background, skills, enthusiasm for the role, and delivered with steady pacing and no filler words. As an outcome, Lisa immediately establishes credibility and makes the interviewer eager to learn more. Therefore, first impressions are shaped in the first 30 seconds. Posture, voice, and clarity all play a role. Case study number 2. A weak start but strong recovery. Candidate, Mark, applying for a software engineer role. Mark enters the room looking nervous. His handshake is weak and he avoids direct eye contact. As he starts his introduction, he speaks too fast and stumbles over his words. So I'm Mark, and I have been working in software for a few years. I really like coding, and what went wrong?" Weak handshake and low energy. Rushed speech filled with filler words. Lack of clear structure in his introduction. How Mark recovers. After the first question, Mark realizes his mistake and adjusts. He takes a deep breath before answering the next question. He slows down his speaking pace and removes filler words. He corrects his posture and makes better eye contact. He gives a structured answer, using the STAR method: situation, task, action, result. As an outcome, the interviewer notices the shift and sees Mark's improvement. His ability to self-correct works in his favor, showing adaptability under pressure. Hence, even if you start off nervous, you can turn the interview around by regaining confidence and controlling your communication. Final lessons from both case studies. After analyzing these two scenarios, here's what we can learn. First impressions are made within seconds. Confidence, body language, and clear speech set the tone. A weak start doesn't mean failure. You can recover if you adjust quickly. Speaking too fast or using filler words makes you seem unsure. Slow down and pause when needed. Your ability to adapt matters. Interviewers notice when candidates self-correct and improve during the conversation. Practice self-awareness. If you feel your energy dropping or nerves taking over, pause, reset, and continue with confidence.